I'm glad to see somebody appreciates my hard work. Huh? You like your bed? Huh? You like your bed? Yeah? So I took this old cage and I put a pillow. Actually, I put a what you call this is like a potato sack underneath. Then I put a pillow under that, and then a blanket. I mean, towel, so they can lay on it. And then I put this blanket over in the back and on the top, the sides, so that when they get in, the wind and cold is not blowing on them. So they're it's not locked in. I got the top open so they can come and go. Ow! Chewing on my fingers. Ow! Ow! It's not snacky. Stop it. Okay. Ow! I don't know why I put my finger in there. Like those two little kids, and one puts his finger in the other kid's mouth and is like, "Ow, he's biting me." So, just glad they're enjoying it. All right, sleep well. Okay.